This is PCR, polymerase chain reaction. This is a technique which was put forward by Kary Mullis in 1985. This is a technique by which a segment of DNA of interest or a desirable gene can be amplified. That means multiple copies of DNA or multiple copies of a desirable gene can be recovered. We can make multiple copies of a gene in vitro, that means outside the cell without using cells, in the laboratory by polymerase chain reaction. This technique consists of 3 steps: denaceration, annealing, and extension. Denaceration. Denaceration means application of high temperature, about 90 degrees Celsius, to the DNA, which is double-stranded. A specific segment of DNA which is to be amplified is exposed to heat. This is the segment of DNA or the gene of interest we want to amplify. For this double-stranded DNA has to be exposed to 90 degrees Celsius, high temperature or heat. As a result, the hydrogen bonds between the 2 strands break down, and the 2 parental strands, 2 template strands of the DNA separate from each other. This is the 5' to 3' template, and this is the 3' to 5' template. They are separated by application of high temperature so that the template strands are separated and they are exposed. This is called denaceration. Now, annealing. In the second step, which is called annealing, 2 primers are employed. What are primers? This is a primer, this is another primer. The primers are short sequences of nucleotides. The primers are short sequences of nucleotides, about 10 to 18 deoxyribonucleotides called oligonucleotides. The primers are complementary to the template strands at the 3' end. This is the primer or oligo